your character. Your character is what we're gonna present to the world. We are not gonna say whether are the old. Ona old. Video no. Is it not an old video? Everything that happened, is it not an old thing? You guys gazetted it in 2021. You started showing the gazette. Is it not old? She like, also, let's listen to your lifestyle, your dirty lifestyle. And I challenge you to bring that John Isuroshi, that boy, you scammed 1.5 million. I challenge you to bring this man I'm about to play. He got complete 3 of them. You cannot, you in a very dirty life. You're not in any position. You're not in any position to say somebody is a criminal. You are a convicted felony. You are a prostitute. Ganga. So you in a very dirty record. You don't in any clear position to bring mouth to anybody. You are a convicted criminal, served. And the PJ Fashibu on your Shimwa, convicted felony, yes. Obru. These are desperation to make money. Obru now everybody arrested from Dubai, yo. And she's Dubai, who in Italy, because that time she used to live in Italy. So hey Buria, Buachia, Budrogo from Italy now get Dubai. He may arrested from Dubai, Buachia in Italy. Either one, what happened? And what I go? He were drunk. He were in a bubaba. Otela it to a ego in a bad way. Otela it be now. That is why every year he changes the arm. Every two days he changes the arm. That is the life of a shower. So I see no reason why every bit of history now old. Wait, if it's an old news, I quick an arm rota. I quick and change you working rota. I'm a player like record. I recorded a mecha. When you slept with my boy, the game has started. What do they get distracted me again? Abarange. When I game, when I don't through my abro, obviously your abro boys. We get coach how this thing work. All this woman worry, all this woman mama be hashing. Tell them to make sense. They are not making sense. Okay, gonna collect ya woto. I get you figure. I will hire my boys. They will come. I will hire my boys. Who are your boys? All these small boys in Allah. Auto one is weekend. Your madam will walk on. I just not to hear your madam. Just answer. That can happen. When I will start her auto. Her auto has been all go. My fans in a check. What has been all go. Everybody in a check. Anytime I start her woto. Now, on your shima, you are telling your followers to report to my TikTok. Why? I have not started now. Let me tell you. Saga won't put. Orula endure it. Orula endure the saga. Stop telling people to report to my page, because if I come for you, you will not remember to open any page again. Stop advising Omo your scamming activity. Stop telling them to report my page. Because if I send a signal to come for you, you will not need to anchor any of your criminality again on this TikTok. I need to open people's eyes. People need to know that you have served the T1S convicts. Imagine one of your stark illiterate people that support you said, hey, why is it that you are traveling to Italy? So does it mean that a felony convicted and I have traveled to the country I convicted? Am I a mother or a citizen? A convicted, you got a child, gas savage. I can see that in Nigeria. Now I figure out that he's based in Nigeria. He were very stark, useless illiterates. Imagine your defense. And it doesn't mean let her come and debunk it. That's not getting, I'm not talking there. The main record is coming out. We're gonna dig it with a doc, with a notice, with a stamp. I laughed too when I saw that. Could you imagine, my dear, when I saw that comment? My barrister, could you imagine? Mother were citizens in the country, relocate here because of criminality is staying in that country. Yabafite Island. Are you okay? You see why you guys cannot even defend on a criminality? PJ is a self-convicted felony. I will prove to you guys that PJ is a criminal. Criminal. Anyway, any can Sharon. Ya name at that time order again bulls or present ya her history. In America, Canada, oh, what are you doing here? They would take your data. I'm telling you, don't worry. No standard, no qualification or what. You have any right to say, I am coming to make a report. You are a criminal. You were a convicted felon. If you don't come to Chicago, a lot of people are all I'm sure so I will not be cursing that child because I get taken away from you. I will not be cursing princess. I'm happier. But the owner that calls to that equal Abuja lady, Yenga Piana, call some Gabayana. I'm a call for ya, call for those useless Alamaji. Maybe you side here. I'm a buyon. I'm a buyon. Oh no, buya, eh? Yenga call for ya. Oga Messiania, on all again. You want to go? Oga Messiania again, on all to again. When I'm done with cursing her useless life. That useless email her collect spam. Give me one year. And I'm going to very useless. I'm going to be your side. Let me dissect this criminal. This your called criminal scammer. She two useless criminal. If you don't believe me, search Promise John. Page, yeah. PJ Fashion, she's a criminal. That is why she's calm a lot. That is why you want one day. Eh, put the motor. Okay, claim the motor. Oh my God, to go. Make a beautiful pattern. When they finish the money, Gabi approved the motor. The money. Oh, now, what unfortunate. This bitch is a criminal. Oh, you know, because she live above her limits. I'm gonna play a voice record. A question I know a better ego. I'm gonna play a voice record. Who contacted me from Island Debo Gabore Ego? Or who I could delay that to me? Who tell me Papa Yaga Podo? Because such an get be able to tell. You want to go? Now, let's first of all go to your lifestyle. Guys, now what happened now, Shiano, because now what happened now, Shiano, please, very important. Can you see? Ego kwa mawo na Chineke kpokwa gị na fair ta show ibu yoro yoko akwagbara mo no ga am make sure that all those missing need company. I'm make sure na aga ma akoppa gị do in one place. I'm akoppa gị do in one place. All of you miserable bitches, all these single prostitutes don't want to shower. Chemeti ga do my AI. Ono ga na remind him this AI because you want to go? Power tap. All this woman show, all this national program. Oh no, all these single prostitutes. Gadia, Choi, Galo, Dibano, Mahuru. Hamutimu, Amusua, that's it. Fire and air, and Nde Chori Butihan. My people Chori Bunda, China. PJ, you remove it under the time, a man, a joke, a Jebuya. China can Pukwa go no. We must continue to sample your dirty filthy life. Convicted felony like you. You are a human trafficker. Listen to your ex-husband. One of your ex. More than 10. One of your ex. One of your ex. Don't worry, I'm coming. Jilum beauty. You told you. Now share on Apple. Oh, we wear data. You wear data, get through data. Because okay, I want them data, I want them strength. I want them the ability. I want them the power. And you feel them? Now share on Facebook. You can print the link. You got share on Facebook. Share on your wall. You can print the link. You got. I didn't about this. I'm a woman. Check them. But your woman on no life. Where's my baby? You guys can all this become. Oh, woman, I'm not life on TikTok. Huh? Imano. Imano, I'm Mamaro. I should be my husband, my baby. You want to go? So,
thằng chắc chắn Angola.
at least I'm not here. Tell me, I try at home here. Shut up, my baby. Guys, power tap, share, because them back. On your convicted felony. Look at you. One Anamana, look at you. Look at your clique. Convicted woman showing a felonies. Look at your clique. You don't have two criminals looking for somebody to bear them their messed up lives. I'm one out of this social media. You know that every other person are inconsequential. I bomb game, quick, with peace, I just want you to put that in your fucking mind. And when any of them can stop me, they are too weak. They got no strength. They got no physical strength, ability to stand me. Are they not possible? Are they not possible? After all, they are your bingos and umu. And they are still performing the duty of a frefu and bingos. They are useless. You use them anytime you want, you dump them. You use them anytime you want to dump them. That's why they are useless. They are hopeless bitches and hopeless men that you can use them, rewash them, recycle them, dump them, bring them back, and restart them anymore. Anytime, any day you talk. They are your bingo, so they are nobody. Bingo, I had to my bingo. They are nobody. They don't have the strength of their own to make decisions. They are like very with ceremony. All to get you from zero position to upper position. Still hana chage they couldn't hold me. Chineke go. I shower AI proof that auto and outside the original that this is not AI. And you proof on here. You are just a common prostitute. And when you and she got logging a line yesterday. And when you was busy showing us your autos, your Anna. I shower. I want you to see man of this life. I want you to come Anna get it. Open to Otilo. And Otilo. And shower local shower. And one you come and one you question go on your haga bokatag. I got working out. I got my tirage. I got my ticket to condemn more. I got my ticket to take away. I got my increase your BP. I will change your BP medication. I got my make sure that you get quick, that you will remain in pain until you come it. Let me play that useless shower video. Because on our power tap on our shiano. Oh, someone a very prostitute group and company on my shower. I shower one. Now, power tap now.
This idiot said the voicemail now. Pardon my voicemail. I'm not here. Very hello here. But I shower for many years. Or what are the anything? This idiot will get more problem of 10 euro. She can't solve it. Also, I'm a PJ fashion. Without cover, she keep on borrowing. This woman is owing Durak more than almost $1,000. This woman is just like a public toilet. I felt polluted to marry this woman. I told her this night that she needs deliverance. I don't need to do anything with her. This woman stinks. Emma, this woman that I hear last 2 months ago. This woman met her DK. Only she came Zoom out. This lady met her DK. All the cable Zoom. You cannot even. The room where this woman is in was smelling. This woman met her DK. You will run away. I need a wife, but all this type. Old prostitute. This woman, prison in Italy here. She was in prison in Italy here. She was in prison. She stayed almost 2 years in prison. From here, go to Bala Island. I thought, no woman, I saw her maturity. A man like this woman, a war, always lost. Complete her lot. How can I marry such a woman? That now is a small boy of 24 years. From Kenneth, who denied completely in Kenneth woman here, until Kenneth called me and told me that this woman dated for a while. No, this woman na Congo. My phone here is all this woman is all. This woman, I heard him even there is no sweetness in this woman's body. If I this woman is just like a polythene bag. Or what for this woman name with Ike. This woman may show me over this time. Panty and liberation at church. Satin cover Ike, this woman bring it up. Ike who pay this woman. Didn't very occasion and watch a for 30 minutes. This idiot has no shame. Who is promised a dirty pig? Who doesn't even know them when he can, then when a cream on why Jessica, then when a piece of why Jessica. This woman, maybe here was, I nearly ran out of the room. I nearly ran out of the room. So, I know how much I spent on this. This is fool. Cover she doesn't have. Before she could have come home, I got your Gambara passport. What did you go? Come here, Italy here, some maybe in a mansion. She came here, some maybe in a mansion. That I'm sharing a flat with somebody. Now here I got people now, not a amigo. Can a maggot eat a maggot? Who is promised a dirty pig of almost 50 years? That woman.
Okay. Guinea Kono, can somebody detail the point this man made here? If you are in class and you're not writing, can somebody detail the point of this, her ex-boy, one of the ex, 1 out of 10 ex? Can someone detail the points? Only here, by then we start bringing everything to those points one after another. Only we're telling here, and mama in can one person detail the point on listed here? Or do you want me to replay the video again so you can write it down and list it? Can run in again. Those points, can I be done a put evidence? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can somebody, she borrowed money. Okay, let me write it down. Where is my this thing? Okay, let me write it down. Borrowed money. Okay, and what else? Number 1. What else? Or you want me to replay it so you can ask my doggy? 1, borrow money. Ibure, okay. Ibure, all right. The point. Do you want me to replay it? Ibure too? I need them to highlight their point. Can put evidence. You want me to replay it? Okay. Pay attention. Pay attention. Small Nash, okay? That one, you got it? Nash 3, okay? Let me replay it because pay attention. Shut the feed and pay attention. Onye mere ihe ga-win. Ego ole ka ọ ga-win? Ọ ga-win again. Ọ ga-win the money gone.
Okay, the man sitting at the room, she should go back around at the room.
No, don't say anybody may pay here. Actually, and please don't talk when you are up here. Okay, somebody say S-Con. Okay, accept me. Request now. S-Con. Okay. 4. Because you request me, pay attention. Share the program and pay attention. Tigo again, I mean to me, Bagote. Put yourself ahead, good girl. Pay Ibagote and Tigo again, I mean. Pay attention and write it down. Because we come with evidence. What I go? Aya, do you want me to start from the beginning? Okay, pay attention, no distraction.
Am I this idiot? Voicemail. I know here, very here, but I shall work for many years. What I didn't say. This idiot to get more problem of 10 euro. She can't solve it. Also, I make PJ fashion. Without cover, she keep on borrowing. This woman is owing Durak more than almost $1,000. This woman is just like a public toilet. I felt polluted to marry this woman. I told her this night that she needs deliverance. I don't need to do anything with her. This woman stinks. This woman that I hear last 2 months ago. This woman be very big. Only she can go zoom now. This lady be very big. How they can go zoom now? You cannot even. The room where this woman is in was smelling. This woman literally became, you will run away. I need a wife, but all this type. Old prostitute. This woman about an ashawo, prison in Italy here. She was in prison in Italy here. She was in prison. She stayed almost 2 years in prison. From here, go to Bala Island. I thought no woman. I saw her maturity. A man like this woman, a war, always lot. Complete her lot. How can I marry such a woman? That I will now a small boy of 24 years. From Kenneth, who denied completely in a Kenneth manager, until Kenneth called me and told me that this woman, dated for a while. No, this woman na Congo. My phone here is all this woman is all. This woman, I heard him even there is no sweetness in this woman's body. If I know this woman, it's just like a polythene bag. I want for this woman ain't with you. This woman may show me over this time. Panty and the show not church. Satin cover this woman bring it up. This woman very occasion and watch a Hana actually watch for 30 minutes. This idiot has no shame. Who is promised a dirty pig? Who doesn't even know when he can, then when a cream on why Jessica, then when a piece of why they say Jessica. This woman, maybe here, I nearly ran out of the room. I nearly ran out of the room. So, see, Matrona, I know how much I spent on this. This is food. Come on, she doesn't have.
I did not block you.
Before she could have called her, Momo, I got your Cambodia passport. Don't you think Gumwayo? How did I eat it here? I said, I'm maybe in a mansion. She came here, I said, I'm maybe in a mansion. That I'm sharing a flat with somebody. Now here, I've got people, now I don't know. Can a maggot eat a maggot? Who is promised? A DPP of almost 50 years. That's
okay. Now, Orulambunu a listing. In your water, I'll be writing it down, then I will start bringing evidence. Maria won't count or where's your or wash. She doesn't have a mob. Don't understand what you mean by mob. City pig, almost 50 years. Okay. Pig, almost 50 years. Count number one. Who else? Point. Body odor. 2. Body odor. Okay? Who else? Fibroid womb. Fibroid womb. Maybe she with that one. Anna slippers. Maybe she with the fibroid womb. Now, I'm taking Anna slippers. 4. Smelling Ibu. Good girl. Smelling Ibu. Retired, but not tired as shower. Who that one? Okuria? Okay, made there. But not tired. I show. Sleeping around with, hey, on your the current, on your pointing. 24 years. Sleeping. Yeah, not point. So, you don't know, when no, this place. Eh? Oh, no, you're not watching the thing, you're not doing no. Okay, paying house rent, all this guy, yes. House. Right. To me. Okay? That's a good point. She's owing some good. Only are the two good. Owing Aguma. More than $1,000. Okay? My madam, I want to watch again. So you weren't paying attention. No, Nagamuti here. Ibu agree. That means he's smelling Ibu. That everywhere. Now that he felt polluted. Use what the key word. Use one of the key word the guy used. The guy felt polluted. Use keyword. Now you guys are not paying you. She can't afford 10 euro. Thank you. These are the things I'm gonna say. Can't afford 10 euro. Good. We served jail 2 years. Thank you. Served 2 years. Good. 2 years sentence. Ex-convict. Court we. I don't understand that one. Only question I use to keyword this guy using. Drug dealer. Good. I never put that thing. got with me. Good. Yeah. Abulana ni no there. Maggot. Can a maggot eat a maggot? That's my girl. Okay? Smelling on him, I don't write them. He felt polluted. Got with 24 years old. Yes, only an agent. Okay? Okay, now, let's start with the 24 years old boy. Now, watch this video.
Hello everyone, yeah, I'm here.
Here with the Kenneth, the guy he mentioned, that 24 years old boy. Here the boy over a no manager, yeah. The same thing over that guy. I will come with evidence. Watch.
Hello everyone, yeah, I'm here.
Oh, what is going on?
Hey. 12th of September 2020. I'm at here for my body house. Yes. So they have not given me the said since my COVID test is not valid that I should stay one side for it so that they will attend to me later. But we are still there. It's not only me, a lot of people all the same thing with me. So I'm still here. As you can see, we are trying to settle the situation. This is everybody that's involved. Yeah, so I'm still here. So when I'm through with this particular one, this body parts, I'll still let everybody know about it.
Yeah, with that 24 years old, people brought the guy, no, now, for you, go, no, the alien, no, even no, able be able. No, one, you know, she, one, you polluted. PJ, no, I want to put it, I am with this boss. Now, okay, another topic, and let's clear that one with evidence, right? Dirty pig, 50 years old. That one, let me show you. Actually, body odor, smelling ooze, retired but not tired. 24 sleeping with an approve of that one. Oyina Gowani. Now let me go to Oyina Gowani. Now listen. I want you to listen to this voice record. I ain't back to born a echo. Because I'll put up and I wash. Pour up and share. Kaibe born a echo. And the result of Ndo Briego, whether man apataram one day Briego, man apatahonomia, whatever, let's listen to Ndo Briego. We comes with facts and truth. Gente.
Okay, I'm getting a good morning from Dublin. Oh, are you PJ? Ada? Stella Zanwa. Nnem. Daloso. Una Emeka, PJ nyego no the money. Onyego me and no. A hell of going the remaining one this morning. So who goes there? Because engine are digging. You know, una one it where Nico Maka where Ponya and the young one, Mupalo. Me exactly case you. I am very happy. Dalo son Nempo, Dalo. I said, only well again, while the mother Yajuro gave the I won't do because I said I had to get your lever. I am well again, well on mother. So, Nam Dalo in the O, Dalo, PJ Negum the money. On the top of going the remaining one, not to talk. Confirm. Dalo son Nam. Dalo.
I said, everything that would.
Hello, ne. Why, Yoma? Look one. Okalisia. Okalisia. Nne atakwa m na social media wee fụ ebe ndị na anụ ọfịa bụ PJ na na-agbalị ịnọ ma ihe ịkọgasị ome gị maka o si jee makwụlụ ụtọ snack melụga na onye ngịna na-abụ na-emekọ onye jee pollute olu gị ama ihe niile mebicharụ gị adịmma gị na-emeka ka gịnị ka ịkpọ ya shai na people dị terrible. Abazi m n'ụlọ ndị mmadụ afọ ajọ ka ha ịbụ nyanwa bụ PJ sa ịma na onye njikpọwa ihe anụwa nne m anwekwa ihe ọzọ na-abụrụ ka isi nyere m aka ịma oge na-ekwu okwu na soshal midia ndị mmadụ echee na-asị ka ọ na-asị mana onye ọbụla mmalụ dị pesin ị na-akọ maka a ga-amadati ihe niile na-ekwu bụ eziokwu onye kpasuo gị iwe kọwa gị ya nnọọ ike nne ya ihe niile nke a dị iche ma mmadụ nwee sikret tagalụ n'isi ma ọ sọrọ benita ya n'ike da-asọ nsị so otu esi ekwu ma ọ na-ebi ndị mmadụ ebi ma ichetakwa mgbe ahụ o ji 2,800 euro n'ọgụ a na-eme aka dịka m ji eje kpọọ bikos afụ na gị na ya na-ekwukọ okwu wee je kpọọ gị wee sị gị ndị negodi ihe nwaanyị a na-eme wee nye m aka wee were ifere gị wee gbasị gị wee mee gị wee kwụọ m ụgwọ ahụ iwee sị na m nwere nụ nke ahụ mụrụ akọ maka next time ma nga na-agbazi ezikwa nne m ọnwụrụ onye dị ka gị wee ezigbo mmadụ hoo ha onye chọta gị nke na-ada emewu ya abụ m agwakwa ndị nọ m na-ekwu si arapụ nke oge si ewu iwu ma ndị mmadụ kpasuo ya ịnọ onye a bụ sọ mmadụ ihe gbakọrọ ndị na ya na-abụ sọ mmadụ ka ọ wụ kama na ndị mmadụ kpasuo onye iwe si a na-eze n'anya PJ dị makwụrụ ụtọ na onye na ya na-abụ na-emekọ biznes snack wee sneak gaa there ka o jee mebisie ya amalụ na out oge everything about oge nne m iwe wena gị sọ mgba ndị anụ ọfịa nkịtị nwaanyị ahụ nnọọ ejiri m ogologo ngaji erikọ wit ha ana m ekpumiziri ya ekpumiri kachasị ma nke nnukwuru ma ace mana oredi ọ kpasugo m iwe omego nwaanyị ahụ bụ evo ọ kpasugo m iwe rinne akpụmiri m ya nnọọ wee ọ kpasugo m ajọ iwe mgbe n'ụzụkwa nke ace a ma ihe niile si hei nwaanyị nke a chizuru echizuo nne daalụ sọ ọ mara ihe njikpa ọ bụ na ego ahụ inyere m aka wee dọta ụgwọ ya n'aka dị woman wee gwu ya okwu ma mmedachisikwuru ya ma ego sef ka ime ka ịchọ na ọkwụwa ga-ama ụgwọ ahụ nne m daalụ sọ onye ka m si ka m kpọọ gị ka m kasie gị m na ọ lụtara m aka inyere m n'aka that idiot before daalụ sọ nne m ka ọ dị good night oge nne m ka ime
akwụ na anụ na ya anyị okili agodati onye awụ eborowa mgbe e kwuru na o ji agụ nwaanyị more than 1,000 is nothing but truth mgbe o kwuru dati na onye awụ ashawo nothing but truth na egochila nke one boy ọ na-akwụrụ ụgwọ ya now I will play a voice note. Nwangamu Emeka. Ọ na-arụ ọrụ. O jere je were bad luck ya hear this boy around. Bidoro wa the boy. No. Sorry, I'm maintenance. Biko ịbatala gị etigo onwe gị na mint. Ịbatala gị etigo onwe gị na mint. Okay, let's continue. Now, o jeje mint nwa ngamụ. Emeka nwa na-arụrụ m ọrụ. Bido mewe gịnị? Gwa m na the first day you na this boy meet amadị m ihe na-aga m. Ya akpọọ m. Gwa m na the boy na boy tụwara ya ime Mashi, how come? Oh, before me, I got help with Soji no. Go Soji Rola Monia KB. Okay, so thank you. So I'm gonna leave you right there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It catches on fire.
Okay, and okay. Thank you, sir. All right. I got help with Soji no. I'm internet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Before me okwu ntugide ya ashi let us Soji judge me. Ya tugide kwano m Soji a ga-egbu ya. 2, 4, 6, 7. Soji a ihe ọbụla m ga-ekwu na gbasara ije mụ na nwaanyị a. Ntugide ashi, I want you to judge me. Gara m ije lekwa ya ihe ọwụ Soji. Unu na ahụ ya. Ịghọtago? Now, ọ kpọrọ m one day. Mgbe o si Nigeria batara. She bụ oge na ngezi what? She a what? No, before ya ala that time, ọ gwara m na enwere onye chọrọ ịlụ ya. Na onye ahụ bi Port Harcourt. Ihe niile m na-ekwu nọ n'ose ọjị a. God, if I lie, ose ọjị ndị omenala ndị ichie ji ose ọjị achụwa m. But if I say the truth, ihe niile m na-ekwu, that woman will never have peace. Ọnwụ ike, ọnwụ mberede, ihe niile ga-asọ ya ihu sọọ ya ọnụ. Now, ya kpọọ m na enwere one man na-abịara ya di.
I'm a living witness na nke Emeka ahụ too. I'm a living witness. Emeka spoke with me. I'm a living witness.
Cheka m kwucha biko. Ya gwa m na enwere one man na-abịara ya di bi na Port Harcourt. Mana enyekwa ya advice chi nna ọ dịkwa maka ịsatụlụ down. All this singleness ọ dịrọ mma because o nwere na mgbe ọ kọọla m akụkọ na enwere one guy a na-akpọ John. Na the guy no ya sụchara everything, furnishicha room, mecha niile, even na ụlọ ya na the guy na-arụ. Na ọ wala the guy na uncompleted building. Na ya kpụpụrụ the guy court, mee ihe niile na moto o bulatara the guy eburu. Na ya rusiri ebe ahụ ya hụ onye the boy tụwara ime. Na the girl eburu afọ ime ha abịa nga ahụ. Ya ewere ọsọ na ha werela ma ngaji ma efere. Alisi ya ọrụ na ọkọla dị akụkọ. Ya niile m na-ekwu eji m ose ọjị aka o. Na ha ewere mama wite ogene were ya pịa ya n'isi chọrọ ikugbu ya dade na ọmara Chineke zọrọ ya memechachakwara ya ebere o that one gone ya bịazie na enwere one man hụrụ ya na Port Harcourt na the man chọrọ ịlụ ya na ya na-aga meet the man na the man akwado na ịga mee ihe isi ya ọ nọ n'ose ọjị a mashi oke nne ọ ga-akwụkwọ egutin o alisa ya la Nigeria bịa chia gị up mee wedding all that nwanne ya jecha Nigeria lọta kpọọ m akwụga m ihe na kichin m that day ya kpọọ m ya sị m oge na m gezi wọt na ya dị ime ma egwiri ma Chineke lee o mekwala ya ọzọ ịmanụ ka m si eme na ana m eme good reading to good things ma nwere ma na-ekele Chineke oh God emekwala ya o it's not easy o at onye dị at that age almost 70 years mana nwụrịla ahụ because eche m na Chineke azala ekpere asị m oge na ngezi wọt na mma onye eri responsible na onye wụ the father na ọwa Emeka nwanga m ịma me pretend ya to be excited na-asị ya kekwanụ ka o si bido asị na ya kọmara m na the boy na-ara ajọ ọtọ na Emeka tụtụrụla ya ihe niile m na-akọwụ ka o siri ma ose ọjị bịa m witness na Emeka tụtụrụla ya rawa ya ọtọ na-aghara ya nagide ya na this boy kparala ya aka from moto the boy ejichie ya rama ya ya na-aba the boy eburu ya naga si Emeka nọmara gị meghachi ihe m na-ekwu ose ọjị gaara m ije ndụ ọ bụrụ na m na-ekwu eziokwu yakwara na m na-atụ asị gaara m ije ọnwụ gbuo m ọ bụrụ na m na-ekwu eziokwu ije ndụ God increase my success, increase my wealth. Mepere m ụzọ, mepere di m ụzọ, our success be unstoppable. Ma agbawa Emeka nwanga m Chika imere gịnị Emeka dịka ọ tụrụ m asị ma ọ na enweghị dị ụtọ ahụ dị Chi Emeka makwa na nwaanyị a bụ HIV I said it Chi Emeka mgbe ahụ ka Emeka ji ekụja ndị na ebu ụzọ jụọ Chi Emeka iji kondọm ka iji kondọm na nwaanyị ya sị na ha eji kondọm si ya ị nụkwara na ọ sị na ọ gị nwatụwara ya ime Emeka sị na ọ dịrọ possible na ya ma deeti ya na ya jiri ọkụ na ọ bụrụ possible shi ụwakwala nwaanyị ime o get ready and the first thing ị ga-eme make sure you go and run HIV test o because I know job you bring na judge. Make sure that you go and run HIV test. Oh, Mark Emeka ji mepezi ọnụ gbawa m eziokwu ọ nọta soldier. If I like those soldier, but I'm the judge me. Judge me with reckless abandon. When the mo Emeka wanga mamara jero no she okwa ya towari mama ma po ya shia. Na Emeka shikwa na owo ya towara gi ma ho. Ashi na mo ko onye ọzọ ọ na owo Emeka towara ime. So, what bola na Emeka nwere fiancé. Ya gbazi Emeka na ega akpọ Emeka aga island. Na ega emere ya visa. Ima ohe o je destroy all this young boy's future. Let me tell soldier. All ihe niile m kwuru na atụgide nwaanyị asị judge me. But ọ bụrụ na ihe niile m kwuru ka ọ gbara m, God tụma ya tụgbuo ya. Tụma ya tụgbuo ya, enye na ya udo gbuo ya, ọnwụ ya. Ma ema nwaanyị Abuja gbuo ha abụọ. Ka aka nshi ha baha n'ọnụ because they are too evil. These two demons need to love it. How did they disappear from a low wine bi n'ime? To where? Ota ka ọ dị. Nwanne m o, na Emeka atụwala mmadụ ime. Amamu, there is no conco, no fanyanya, no afime, or just from Emeka. Ya ba manje. Ma wonye na ebiti na eme na weji. Na alo. That was the boy na alo. Yeah. Emeka shi na kwa gbara maba. Na ugwa ya towara ime. Mommy, it's not me. Awomu atowara ime. Mommy, it's not me. Now, let me play voice record. Voice record there, Emeka. This idiot Anna PJ Fashi was recording me without my consent. She was recording me. Even Nakora ya ihe Emeka my boy email. I didn't even know that she was recording me. She recorded me without my consent to record me here. I'm not against the law. Oh man, then actual law. I'm not they are committing crime. She recorded me. She carried it and gave to one useless idiot who knew her natively. Nke she has sent the nke gura PJ Fabiana Chicago be agbamuomu. Yes. Nke gura PJ na ndo otu ya ma ọ gugu na habia. Na any of them can come and shoot me womu. Target ya nwa mu, target ya timu, target ya agbamuomu. You want to go order him and hand on a group. So one of them can carry the other. I want no PJ Gabriel is the other Kobe Chicago Babum. If you don't come to Chicago, you can weekend. Now Chicago can get Jimanama in Shiriago. Actually, there only be a Chicago in a Tomojo. Now let me play the conversation recorded Emeka. Sorry. And don't before then, not gonna get by Emeka. Now I'm gonna go share so poor. Now I'm gonna go on a phone. Now listen, I got mad at it. You play track, I'm going play. I got mad at my son. I am not Emeka. My son, imagine this guy did over $35,000 because of Pijo Oshun. On your Shima, a bam more go, go Jimmy a visa. I'm not coach to how are you? From a yeah, but a visa money with this one, visa money with this one, visa money. But over the weekend, I got the boy. Yeah, with the careful, no getting a where I record where. After all record, I'm going to play online. Now, listen.
Oh, good evening. I'm now very, very angry with me. To be honest with you, that voice note are they complete? Number one, that was not the first call. When she called me first, somewhere that now, you never did me bad. No more, I'm disappointed when. Then she called me back.
The boy, that's what. I mean, a lot of people in their contract, the boy is really gone. Do you know that? Emeka 18. Amamu ma pijo ti la ya musuishi. Amamu ma pijo ti ya puro gwego. All the contracts in them because man ndo tumji na ego no. Ndo tumji ego. PJ allowed this boy Yigi destroy this boy life. Love this boy Yigi. Amamoji, occasionally the boy in a minute, the boy a bit of Zuoshi. Yawuru Emeka mana na ego brula from me, Emeka Kariji ya one of the richest boy enwere na Nigeria. But ego anine. Okuru and meku ko emana this boy run my hotel for 1 year onye hu me ego. For complete 1 year. And when you went to another place, at least I wanted 1 million every month. Emeka did not give me shit. I just want to at least after expenditures. And when you went to my hotel, 1 million a month. I just want to like this. This boy did not give me nothing. He ate all the money. You got him a great Emeka nowhere to be found. I'm still the person sustaining him. I'm still the person sustaining Emeka. Now, let's listen.
Oh, good evening. I'm now very, very angry with me. To be honest with you, that voice note are they complete? Number one, that was not the first call. When she called me first, somewhere that now, you never did me bad. No more, I can disappoint you.
Okay.
Then she called me back, saying that now, after that day, now you go now, voice note, that after mom brought a call on a group call, because you, your husband, she, and her husband, not the call. That never now, you never forgive me, that you only allow that thing to, as a name, down where I got the court case, that after the court case, that you will still take me up. But I should be careful. If you remember, I said that now, the thing I can, most important, I said that the only thing that put that now, she is not aware, me here, Gabe. But when you have about a saga, you can still confirm to Mommy Chinyaka, because anything they meant, I do communicate to tell you about the thing. So, I was the one that supported myself where you are, and it still pains me till today. So I'm sorry. I won't saga for anybody. The only thing whatever that now, more I'm saying that now. Also, I can't they go call that now. Or Maggie, but I'm saying I want to they call Maggie.
Now, the bitch went and contacted Emeka. Remember that all you want Emeka to spend the ego. You want to go? Yeah, go Emeka. Now put up at the book boy and no man have a ego. It was your she. Oh, okay. You know, oh, okay. Ega got pay Emeka cable get you with a property. So the conversation I had with you, that now after my court, after this court case, because I don't want to contradict anything. Now I'm going Emeka got called to call that provide that I'm able to not only $35,000 so. Not only $35,000 can make a Jimo. Yeah, but I got by not quite careful. Now, after pro na call and 3 ways. Now, what is your motive? Can you hear your motive? What was your motive reaching out to her? Reaching out to him? Let me tell you. You dig your grave, Bobo Gechino. Igan no get any him want to gan.
But not for Emeka police, but 300 and just 300,000.
Police, you know 300 or 300,000. 100,000.
How ungrateful this time was.
I got about my $35,000. I'm going to leave Emeka. That if she leave 100,000 alone, you go to police for 100,000 and arrested Emeka. Just come 100,000. Yeah, all Emeka police just for common 100,000. 100,000, oh. What you gonna wear a friends? Now, what here? Leave this money. How much is 100,000? That they mark them easily. Because the problem is recover because Cambridge, I told them, I kept it to myself. I kept the money to myself. $35,000. Calculate it and see how much it is. I kept it to myself, oh. I did not tell anybody. I did not tell anybody. Even my own money to rebuild the things all the honorable. Some of the houses on a man the boy or the boy a bit of West go. I don't know the spirit. More share put away go. I don't know what went wrong. This boy started languishing even my hotel. I started to rebuild my hotel. I started to restructure it. Even the hospital, I started putting my money to be rebuilding it. I was saying this, and this is what I went through. My brother, my sister, if you air out, I be able to the back of the should be done. I be able to about 100,000. Now actually, make a rest. Now my what about them make? Share my born. Not the granddaughter. Share up 100,000 away. God, what about to me? I will play those voices because I recorded it that day. That I don't need to play there. I recorded it because I did not give her consent to record me. She will ask Abraham cool on town. We have a long way to go. I don't know why Oja Mandiel. Now listen. In Angwemeka, what I had with you private, what was your intention? Your intention of it? If you can arrest Emeka, get your boyfriend, you're gonna handle it. Common 100,000. And you think I will not arrest Emeka? Yawurugi, you could have arrested Emeka for it was about $35,000. You can't. Imagine someone, all man of police because of $100,000, 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira. Not 200 though. Not 300 though.
About 100,000.
Oh, where go?
About 300,000.
She can play the voice note. It's 100,000 naira.
Okay.
100,000 naira.
Let's must spell us from not 300.
100,000 naira. Can't you remember? Okay, let's take what you said. They're going to 300,000.
Okay, play a voice note now.
Yeah, we're going to 300,000. Yeah, we're going to 300,000. I am mad to remember arrest.
You are calling it 30 something thousand. You can.
More what $35,000. Give Shimu. Then I'm going to be careful. Now, okay, let me give it to you. 300,000. Kiji, Megan, Ijimegole. How much are you owing me? $300 in here, they get me about. The $300 you borrowed me on your shit. It should not check up the money. And what kind of they go? They beg $300 and buy. Yeah, you will go on your shit. I'm going to go. The same thing that happened to Sarah. This lady will go for complete 2 years. The same thing you did to come on $300 and something dollars in the it is the shaggy. But happy was here the money. What did you money? Shaggy happy was here. Oh, thank you, thank you. Why are you a bloody liar? The same thing you did to Sarah Oji, what happened to me? I sent you her voice record. Only as you can put online. Make sure you pay this lady her money before this lady start coming online to disgrace you. Yeah, but I'm not going to the lady 3 times. I'm not going to have half until you have to get the money. The day they leave with zero message, not while I had the money. The same thing you did to me. Exactly your pattern. You borrow, you don't pay. You borrow, you don't pay. You borrow, why do you borrow money a lot? Why do you, question now about ego. What happened here? Imana, you're a bloody motherfucking liar. If you yesterday, no more akuru, obanjo ugo. Eh? If you no more akuru, obanjo ugo, I may play a record, Zagasiki, thank you. I will play record, Ebemua, Nigeria Dino, Odenan, Ebem Tuku, Buleti, ne defend again. Abarangi, Agama Wakagi war. Agama Wakagi war with facts. Agama talk again. You know, Yem Jabagagi war, your dirty filter life. Your auntie, your madam on a rule, Mabia warrior. People got to know you. Now, let's finish. Let me play another voice. Let me play another record on the record and the Kegina Emeka. Okay. Yeah, I engineer I'm made a video this morning. Yeah, should have been not wrong. The guy should have put on online. Now, one thing you can do, na everywhere scatter. So man Joshi, Kezi ihe PJ jiri kpọọ gị ga-ebido send the man threat ya ga-agbawa ama. I just want to understand. Because mgbe PJ gwara mụ chere me. Mgbe PJ gwara mụ na gị na ya na-edina, I was so mad. Ma kpọwa gị shuma gị, why would you be that useless? All ihe m gwara gị. Ma gwa gị shi, you need to go and run tests. Lekwa him nọ about to PJ. Is it not what I told you? And I need you.
I'm with you, not in the book.
Man, actually, can't you go and run tests? Why would you allow PJ to maneuver you to sleep with your follow, your every mother? The man drug the shit and I can run on a test. Get me after they run and everything be okay. Wasn't I serious? Why would you do that? Now, the PJ did him, PJ and Bamanaga water for him. What did I do? I called you back. Get or God did it possible. Don't do what I thought PG. Because I was protecting your interest. Because I have been here many. Now, Kenzie can get a PJ to pull his own. Gabayana, get put up na Facebook about the poor.
Yesterday, I'm on the issue. Issue. If you must notice, even my Facebook account was undisconnected from everything, and next social media, then our court case offline. So yesterday, mommy, you could see my let me know her name.
Oh yeah, mommy.
Simona, can be sound now.
You get this. Oh, that woman in the same place I on AI Island, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I want my idea if there's any challenge or any problem.
Oh, Chinyaka one, right? Chinyaka. Okay.
That means I should be careful and don't allow anybody to involve me on social media.
Okay.
So I reached out to PJ.
How do you about PJ?
So yes, I called her, said that wants to know what is my involvement. So you're gonna give me a no, and I'm doing a nice problem that surely advise you. So once you can send them the link, what is happening. She sent me the link, and when I came in realized the main job where even that Mona Peter could I so I was not really happy to go out. Because now, the truth is that any guy, almost 2 years older. Now, I'm like, you want to put the only idea away till late this year. Now, on our press, challenge. Look at my young one did away. He had a family car. So, I'm going to look at pregnancy was now from the first time of my debunked that already even to even when you could not handle hard possible, I told you I did really hard. So
No. Emeka. The first time I'm for okay. So check a pin on the name, paper in of the two noise, a pin on the name. Now, the first time I'm for okay. I don't get the thing. This mba na get a 18 now. Mashi, Emeka, tell me the truth. Why are you lying to me? Now PJ Baramo, na get a 18 now. Now if he says I promise you give me a couple to go out to Ireland. Along the process, they put a yes, but not once. Again a 18 now. Man, I give the condom dinner. This I'm not going for a master. A man may need condom, KG condom. I never put China. She okay. No, if I'm need condom. Now you mean no moto, from one thing to another. Match okay, and no brother that I know the rumor. Now PJ HIV. Now get that on no test. Is you know what I told you? Should you go and run tests? No, man, a few months later, PJ woman had you and do not you are responsible for the pregnancy. I start calling you, get him but if possible, you start counting the months. Get an edge meet here. No, what if possible? No, get at all, okay. By then, maintain your stand and I won't give up what I was so angry that I saw you again, I will preach it. Continue here.
So that's what happened yesterday. So it was when I saw that video, I had to call that woman. So my mom called me some years ago, so that I should try and get back to you. That was why I'm coming back.
Of course, the reason why I'm calling you, after I'm getting cable on Henry when I give poor one thing on Facebook about black hole.
I want to move that now. Coming on social media with this saga. I'm even going to problem regarding our social media because I want to involve myself in the
okay, now, Mekane, how did this thing start? How did your name start? She was the one that mentioned your name. She was the first person that went to our platform and mentioned your name. Now I got to put Meka on live. Before you spoke, Meka got on live. They spoke about the pregnancy. Sorry, about the Meka. Before Ginjim Potasia, I'm looking at Meka dinner. That your Meka are going together. Don't connect with your Meka. Hear my money. That you've been with me for years. You never chop my money. How is it that those people what get involved? Who brought your name? You brought your name on social media for. So, guys, you talk online, you got call one in the day. If I cannot record it, so I don't know what because she said she recorded you. So I don't know what she said in me for her. Okay, the way guidance. Okay, the way guidance. Bye. Now, a boy in our room, what I could do with it. But the Paga do I destroy him or all their future. I'm reading the
Yeah, but I Meka no. I'm very, very aware of it. And here in you, whoever no. All the new chukuna mother. I want to supposed PJ and a Chwam and a UK Chwam and a Nigeria Chwam. But I want to look at me, Puno. She gozium, because I did not record. I don't really do all this recording. PJ, Meka, I'm business, Hannah Bomere. I'm a business. PJ one day, since Meka will go 300,000, or maybe I was wrong, but now I'm not between 200. I was going on 100. So where's
somebody called 200,000 or 300,000.
Where do you make Emeka say, where's here? Can you say, Emeka, can you name me here? Can you name me here? Can you name me Gundam Muddy? No one before. Why are you doing this? Can you make it change? I'm very disappointed. I was so furious. So when PJ was not talk that now not to give me make arrest. Blah blah blah. Now no Mom I can't remember.
Yes.
Yeah, some na Emeka na you say Emeka arrest. But he got her. I will go prince. So I was like, what's that good reason? Okay, you talk Emeka arrest. I no okay, good. Already made the case. Emeka na that. gọvanọ ya bụ na-akpazi na-asị m na mkpara mgbe kesi ya ebi na ihe ahụhụ ego ya na nkewa na ọ chọrọ iri ime Emeka arrest my sister my brother.
Very wicked bitch.
Do you know that when a PJ made a plan ime Emeka arrest, I did not involve Ogechi. Ogechi does not know na PJ nwụrụ Emeka. Mgbe a nwụrụ Emeka, ọkwa mụ na na-abụrụ ọnụ this thing, unu wee fụkwa Ogechi. My God. Ewee nwụrụ Emeka. Ewee kpọchie Emeka. Kpọchizie Emeka. Mgbe ụmụnne Emeka chụpụtazi na kpọchie na Emeka. That money abụọ the money. Even mgbe ejide Emeka nwunye na sel, mgbe Emeka na-aja kwesịrị, PJ setere ya. Mama setere ya Emeka. Oweri m the picture ejidekwe na Emeka. Nsi at least otu ejidere ya ka ata ya. I didn't like hide it from Oge to megide ya. Ihe m ji hide ya chọrọ m ka ata Emeka afọ because complain enwetere oke PJ abịa kwuo one other lady abịa kwuo. So I was really angry. Ebe Emeka at least anwụghị n'ime sel apịa ya tali iwu na agwa PJ si pịa ya tali ka ma nwaanyị echegharị. That was the angle nne ọwụ nọ ibe megide oge or something like that. So and ka ụmụnne m kwuo ya ka ma I get rụọrọ ya agwụkwọ ịmago. So mgbe ahụ dịziri Emeka nọrọ from mama 4 days ka ọ nọ n'ime nga kpakpa ụmụnne gbara ịmago nsikwa PJ biko sikpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọsịkpọs paid. So mgbe ihe a na-eme mgbe m na PJ na-ekwu sef agwaghị m PJ na Emeka zukwere Ogechi oshi anọghị vụtara n'ọnụ Ogechi ka PJ si mara na Emeka were ego ya that day we were on 3-way call Ogechi ji ọnụ ya kwuo nekwe thousands of millions of naira Emeka zuru na that PJ na-agba n'aka ama m nọ na-erekọdụ anyị ha nọkwa ebe ahụ ama m na agadi nwaanyị na-erekọdụ ihe anyị na
Record mo. I'm intention, yeah. I don't know why she was listening. But then she was walking against me. I'm not one no more. I didn't know.
Even what Ogechi was fearing did not happen because maybe Emeka might abandon the case and all that, which did not happen. Emeka was released and he was advised and he left, which I later called him and advised him. Then Uruna nke gbasara PJ na Emeka idina. Ihe a na-ekwu ọkwara Chukwu na mmadụ Chineke nke na-efe. Emeka ji ọnụ ya ọnụ ji iri ji na-ede were gwa m sị m ma ọ mị na PJ na PJ kwere ya nkwa island visa ihe a na-ekwu even bụ sọ na-agwa m ọnwụ na na-erekọdụ mmadụ aka m irekọdụ ya bupụta ehihie even Emeka sị m na-erekọdụ na ya I won't even care record. But I don't know yes I got but he was the one telling me. Simon, a PJ promise the island visa. No PJ and I, where's the America? Can I kiss you? Did not PJ? It was hard to can't you go Chineke nna ihe a na-ekwu ọ bụ na ya even ebe nsị emeka ezuzu a na-ekwu nke ime na-emekwa ọzọ iche ya oyi iche ya ọtụ chewara ndị eji gị na ndị goro gbọnta mmadụ ka gị ndị goro aka dị nwaanyị anụnwa ụjọ ha atụghị ụtọ ya atụghị gị weta Chineke I was being raw with him that day otu nwaanyị atụghị ụjọ Chineke esi m n'obe na ama na Nigeria siri ike ọkwa emisiri island visa na-abụrụ ejiwanụ na PJ wee kpọọ ya one day wee si ya na ọ dị ime mgbe na PJ na island PJ na the island ndị si PJ akpọọ ya si ya na o tekiri in ya sị tekikwa in mbakwawo na nwekwa ya nwatụkwara ime nsị ị na-aga agụ ọ na ịbaha ebe ahụ ịma na idina nwaanyị na probability na onye ahụ adị ime ya osi anti osi mommy but ọbụkwa m nwa onye cannot accept na PJ si ya na ya nụọ ya na ọ nụọ ya ka ọ nụọ ya nọọ mgbe afọ ya enweta island visa so ya na-asị hey na ọ nụọ PJ kedu ihe ihe Chineke nna oh God ọ bụ na ọ nọ na kedu ihe ụmụnne ya ga-eche ma a na-afụ ya na PJ na Facebook kedu ihe ndị friends ya ga-eche nsị ya so ịmarị na agadi nwaanyị wejere na-edina ya ọsị na ọkọ mmanụ ma ọ ya pụrụ ụdara n'oge ahụ fetin so na pete ekwesịghị na ọ dị ime a wee sị mbakwa ọgwụkwụ ya so mgbe ebe dị na-ayị ya that pregnancy na pj akpọkwara ya ha na onwekwa ime ọtụkwara ya mabụ di ya the next thing ya fọwazie pj na ọgba nje ka ha na-eflex na Facebook na pj gwara ya wee meka na ọgba nje wụ pa ya because na mgbe ya na pj na anya na ọgba nje nọkwa with pj na mgbe bịafuzi when he denied that pregnancy pj na ọgba nje wee flex wee sị m mọm ibi like say that man na pj na ha na-akọrị because ihe pj na-emewu ọ na-alụ onye ọ na-alụ onye na-eme ọ na-atụ nchọ onye ọ ya adabara oge m furu okpule ihe na-egodi ihe pj na ọgbanje na-eme n'ọhịa ka pj chọ ka a na-abụ na-eme na makwa na ụmụnne ya abụ ya asọ ihe a ka eme ka ihe ọhịa pj na-esi mgbakọ ọfọdụ n'ọhịa prọfetin maọbụ ụta ka o si ya na pj si kọt maọbụ final pj so ozi ọgbanje bikọs ọgbanje bụ onye dị willing to n'ala ya iwe ọchịa bọs ndị ọ na-eso ọ grade Emeka
ọ bụla ndị oge destroy their future
agadi ọ naghị aga age and that was why when Ogechi was defending her Ogechi gwara bie na one of her defense ụlọ ka akwarụ nga ka ha chọrọ o kwuru na ọ sị na enyekwa na-akwa ya egwu nwaanyị ga-eji ọ gwara m
you need to go and look for your age and stop destroying all these young boys.
Mana agwara m ya mgbe m na ya na-akpa inside
stop destroying all these boys. You are beautiful soul. You are ego the one thing you were bitter mother. You were sugar mama. You were bitter mama. You destroy their lives. You don't have money. You are too broke. You borrow money to give all these your sugar boys. They don't know that you are a bitter mother. Shishi, you don't get. You live a fake life. You don't have kobo. You borrow. Oh, you know what I'm okay with? That's why I ran away from you. You want me to match you up with a big man? Match you up with a big man. Okay, you know Kangalaya. What to Kangalaya? To an extent, the guy to Zion. Gawa Gabru, Bruce Peters, next young Maggie. I could show get them the fire shishi. Them the fire shishi. This is how this woman flex. You know Hana she 1 naira. You know Hana she who each 1 naira. Ibuya every time gala. Esa now. Akwa 2 men. Akwa 2 men now. Now let me play another one. Oh, Gaga Puro goes for a watch. Come play a camera.
My love, my sweetheart, I have a surprise for you. Your birthday was on the 1st May. Mine is coming up 16, the next 2 days. Guess what I have for you? Something special from my heart.
Everything about you.
It's a little, what did you say?
Everything about you is special.
Thank you.
You see that the guy is not even comfortable. The guy shared his face. The guy will line a letter to tell you self in a video. But let me test it out. Let me test it out and manage and collect this watch. Because all you want to spend, she will come and borrow you money. And go and enrich these small boys to maintain them. Okay, you will know go on there will be no problem. She will come and borrow money. Oh. Imagine her as an American NGO. I'm not going to soldier. Oh no, I'm not going to with all soldier. No soldier. No, but that's from she if you want to come and debunk it, we know soldier on according to you, when you're menal. We're all soldier, we're in everything the time I'm bugging. This soldier to borrow one faithful day. Nam biye 6 million from the Eggerest 9GO. Nam biye ego. Ashia and I made big 6 million. A big belan 1 naira from NGO. Okam makine bomu nam me suoshi. Kara nam zuria real. You see why I'm ready to destroy those people in a court. You see why? Because everything no matter what they're trying to do to wait for equal Abuja case, they know they can't because I'm very transparent. That is why I told them to take me to court. You see why they don't want to further ahead with the case. How from 500 million? Until no evidence, no trace of money, no nothing. You see why? They were carrying all this propaganda to time ahead. Now, what have got to do with 500 money? She tagged it there for people to see me as I'm a bad person. They tagged that 500 million there. For this, oh, she's a criminal, no? I'm coming for that 500 million soon.
500 million, the EFCC attack. We attack blessing 6 million.
It was 500 million. It was a report what today, EFCC. Can EFCC be able to investigate? No investigation. I just saw one day who go because I'm in my arrest. Just to ridicule my person. I am in Japan again because we here now. Because now people beginning to see the truth. That these people forge because I'm that everything is possible in Nigeria. Anything, PJ, one year show can be in America. They tagged me, they tagged me 500 million. No get to with a 500 million machine or one spirit, call a mother, call one more. Amen. All charges, all Abuja charges. We pay 500 million on the charges. All the bully. And what happened 500 million? No, you can't find it nowhere. But I just get you parade, damage my reputation on social media. Can't destroy okay, Now, the same Mr. B case, and Amishiana, Jugodia, why are they not forwarding the case? Why are they asking George to give me a bench warrant? Only George Ahubanya. Only George said to Banya for 1 day. George, you continue with this case, or you wait until the day that get China. Now they are in dilemma because you have been focusing this case with Emeka. Why can't you proceed and present your evidence? I'm just coming. They are now in dire situation. They're no longer updating them. They're no longer coming online to scan them one after another. They're no longer coming online to tell them this is how this thing is going. This is how this thing is not going. The other day, unintelligent criminal will come and Emeka was crying. Witchcraft. This is how they manufacture and produce lies. Because they know that the case is not dicey. You are even George Baraha. You never George G. Because they hold the thing day. George she ain't getting this last call to have the day. No, the last day. That if they don't make decision to continue with this guy, and I couldn't be on the case with for how many years now? Or you wait until the day you apprehend Ogechi. You rather check what? You see how. You see why she had it on them no? Abuja Jamuga with them. You see why? If Abuja walk with them, Koji Kieta Yamu down. Chile can't pour her soon. God can't pour her soon. You see, I mean, are you seeing what is going on now? Abuja had to have the temerity. Namuna Ebuka Mejie. Now 5 days away, the Chineke Ogo Iwanamana, Iwanine, Tonta Obuki. Get your kid, you walk in a Bugoto. The man can I never come down. Come want to machine. I want to hear my case. Is that your case? I want to hear my case. Get brought, okay, because I'm gonna make camera down. Because get up, gonna make camera down. Because you know that they had to a case. You know, bitch. How to reach in get to tie my own case. Get where the other city. Shemu kagene me. Figure out how to settle this because you know they are losing it. Bring the witness. You guys are not bringing. Continue with the case for where. I to God. But lawyer gonna demand my bench one the judge or who come on. I ain't no number. Back off. But the amona no nonsense. Case you know been almost how many years? Because you guys have nothing, no evidence, no nothing. All the things you guys told on me were all lies. Now case I'm gonna get Jimana, no get you the blood. Gonna case you now. Because on Ebuka, imagine Ebuka Zoria iPhone, Zoria Samsung, a man need you marker. I'm gonna make it down until the day the beach you put her. Go on, Ebuka Zoria phone, Zoria and now I know. Oh, is that why? Is that why you can't take decision on your own, you stupid bitch? About who she got many. Anyway, your case is it. Abraham Gikegi, Nenge Neki. Compare this your low bottle. This is everywhere on okay. Oh, today I deep polluted. Yabe port to everywhere deep polluted. Oh, port to everywhere Why, I don't know. Yabe port to that everywhere near because you gift you well I'm gift. Nyamanum gift, no gift, no gift, oh. Nyanum gift, I'm so angry. Nyamanum gift. Nyanum gift, I will not continue. Thank you.
It's a flower.
No, don't want us. Leave me, I don't want us. I thought of money, God. I thought of heart. I thought of
It's all heroes.
Did I take your rose? That's the wrong one of flower. I don't want rose. Eshimunga. I like that. I like that. Give me money gone. You name gift. You make a name go. You check a name pepper. You make a power. You got power come. Name body gone. On your one, you're like name rose. You check a power come. I make me love. The name rose. But I can. Thank you, baby. Now you come. Thank you, baby. My brother, my one, Ali, she along with the back. Aleka. Daisy! The emperor, the lion is here. Zabu, any. Toya dike, Oya kega ni Igbo Abuja. Oya kega Igbo Abuja. Oya kega nakedness Igbo Abuja. Hey, ihe ji mara dị ka abịala ego change go. Mgbatụsa ka ọ na-enye m gift obi a na-adị m mma. Na m ataka afụfụ. N'aka all these frustrated single mothers so much showing that. All these frustrated prostitutes. Thank you, my baby Daisy.
I don't know.
All these prostitutes, so much showing that. I forgot me for Fanakafa. And what Kaparuru? My success torment them. People that are around me torment them. People that love me that. The empire, the lion is here. Nzabu, Henny. I know that.
Stand up.
Stand up again. Time is shown. But ought to go them come on war heart.
If you make you money go, come on, yeah,
come on, your money down, nonsense.
Yeah, that means Zobu.
Your money gone, nonsense. You stingy London people. Let's proceed to Powata Prussia. Now, look at your number how many?
Thank you.
Your number how many men come shirigi? Plus, plus the secret ones we have not seen.
Peter Sopel.
Peter now they on our platform so. Peter so. Just to show you that I shower who that man Nikuru. Everything that's ex-husband, one of the ex-husbands, about this speech is nothing but the truth. Let's proceed.
My love, my sweetheart, I have a surprise for you. Your birthday was on the 1st May. Mine is coming up 16, the next 2 days. Guess what I have for you? Something special from my heart.
Everything about you.
It's a little, what did you say?
Everything about you is special.
Thank you. It's a token, but special in my heart. I present to you this watch. Open it.
Wow. Oh my God. This is more than
I can't see it. You're not showing it properly.
This is more than special. Wow.
Princess, don't spoil that thing.
Wow.
Don't spoil it.
Wow.
Do you like it?
I've added to my collection. Wow.
This is your birthday present.
Wow.
Your birthday present.
Wow.
Yeah. Money.
Wow. I'm going up to that like this. Blink.
Bling, bling, feed the body that wants the money. Take care of the body that makes the money.
Sure.
Let me see that watch again. It is beautiful.
So beautiful.
Princess, don't spoil the case, eh? Don't spoil the case.
So beautiful.
Amani. Is it one of the best watch for men, Amani?
Wow. So lovely. So lovely. So lovely. And I have to add up beef up my security.
My love.
Now, in one of the level, let me tell you, you're a young boy. If you're a young boy watching me, if you come across this Agadi anti-ancient and modern apple, make sure you wise up, collect your own and run away. But make sure you use protection I heard that she carried Oreo Brinajo. I'm just giving you information ahead. In case your brother come across this Okapuna, she changes men like you change clothes. She changes men like you changing your clothes. Make sure, collect your own wristwatch, collect your own expensive whatever. Let her go and borrow money and sponsor you. It's none of your business. All you need is to do what? Collect your own and lol away. If opportunity comes, even list what you want. Because she will go and fuck all these old men and use it to upkeep the young ones. She will borrow money to her new friends around her, and she will use it to upkeep the young boys. That is why she cannot be proud of a common, but public zinc. Akuru. Ewo punde followers macho me gbanyere gi movie. Ke ihu investment man America man Nigeria. Munu na alalo. Unu na ala ro ko chanya munu na alalo. Aka me gbanyere gi movie. Ke ihu investment oge echi na America. Ke ihu ebe na collect my monthly salary every month. Munu na alalo. And when I post it, you prostitute, all these single mothers, Amakadora, a very useless bunch of dirty ass bitches. No, not at all. Amakadora every year, Matuna Muna Befa. Ndo the ABCD now. One year walking, I got so shit. Ndo zero shit, yeah, condemn Apple to Aza. Amakadora won your shon to Aza. There's a one ocean on a plaza. They all criminals. When they're working, because when they're working, because you have to the other. In South Africa, even our South Africa, near come anyhow. I told the boy, be a club, near poison, young on a club, war. I'm not going to come out and swear that you didn't tell me this story. That's the one they go to how, but I want a club just like that. Oh, when again in Dori go things family that destroy mpagi wo no boni ayi ko that una ha unu be unu every night aneti nji aneti which aneti ya wa ko bona mpagi stand everywhere. Yes, yes, ya wa ko bona mpagi buru different people na la begi muna get question no any clue that one am matter this your dating lifestyle I could have been late akrame hapogi years kemba matter again it will am close again you cannot and when you figure many and when like figure many lim until down you can't you do that. The same level, only the too low to my status. I want to follow the me. So let's proceed. Now, Peter Fashibu, you came online yesterday and stated that I paid Obanje, my group paid Obanje to come and do what you. Now I want to show a video where I took bullets. And also I will play a video where Obanje sagad me because I recorded all of them. I'm gonna play a video where Obanje sagad me because I was busy defending you. At least you know what I'm immune to now. I'm going on TikTok and they're very sensitive. Even Okwe Zorazo, they detect the noise. Please, when you come in, put it. Please, very important. You want to go? I'm gonna play a video about Obanje na Obama war. Play a video about defending again. I defended you. I'm defending you. George Gontiga war. Everything I defended you will judge you until you come. He cannot tell like this when heart attack and war. Yeah, but okay, you buri lagging. He cannot get you. I can't shake it up again. No. It can do a miserable. It can look at the way Mr. Orlan. You are old enough to warn. All the go major below Sugi. Because he were thief. Before I proceed, can't go on your criminal record on Italy. You spent years, you served sentence over 2 years. You served over 2 years. Let's walk around. You served over 2 years. Now, Italy, you are an ex-convict. Come and debunk what I said. If Ogechi is lying against you, come and debunk that. Everything the guy put now record. Let's read her criminal record. Okay, before we proceed, the man is know where he came. He got a boy, he fake he came. He got the thing she tapara before I proceed to her criminal record. He got a boy, he fake he came. He man where he had the car. So the guy listed in on Nash. He got a boy, he fake he came. Still, you can see the map of no Ike. Let's play the video. How TikTok work, how I gonna hold our views. You gonna click live. 3 things someone or the 5 things someone told me. Also, your comments boost people to be seeing that are in your life. You guys have to constantly comment. You must constantly comment. Engage. TikTok will know we are active. You have to constantly join my fan club. Join my fan club. You're gonna click here. You have to be power tapping. You have to be sharing it to your friends. You also have to be comment is enables TikTok to join fan. Thank you so much, Billionaire. Anybody can afford this fan club. Please join my fan club. Click it there. That love there. When you click it, you join my. Thank you, baby. I go. Oh, because of you, I got my guru there. I got my show get good picture. Thank you, baby. 100 million. Thank you. Now you're giving us visibility. Thank you, people. You're giving us visibility now. TikTok know that people are reacting. Not you can't comment. You can't do anything. Comment is one of the visible things. Learn how to be commenting. Learn how to okay, I love you. It's okay. I got a PJ and I won't not okay and I show anything that can enable us to be visible. Power tap. Click our fan club. Make our distance share. Share in your friend list. Thank you, baby. Thank you. That's what I'm talking about. You want to go? That's what I'm talking about. I'm like, baby. Thank you. Now we are being visible. Here, what we're supposed to be doing anytime in our life. Thank you for your understanding. Oh yeah, I'm Agwan and all these fan in the fan club now. I won't know where. Oh yeah, let's go there.